yo, chill. Nah, yo, chill. This ain't, chill, alright. This ain't about me. This is about you, me, us. What's good, YouTube? Yo. See your boy looking real flavorful. You know what I'm saying? Real flavorful, yo. Yo, this is what I wanted to do with y'all for y'all last time, man. But you know your boy had the, you know what I'm saying, had the monster. But yeah, I'm out here right now. Got my nice frames on before this video ends. You know what I'm saying? Y'all make sure y'all hit that thumbs up. Make sure y'all hit that bell notification so you don't miss nothing. I'm gonna leave the link below. Yo, where I got these fire frames from, yo. Telling you, man. Yo, shout out to all my Patreon people, too, because what I'm about to touch on today, yo, y'all already know about it, baby. You know what I'm saying? Because y'all loyal. Yeah, y'all loyal. But, yo, what's good, y'all? I'm going to get right up into it. All right, your boy got a new hoodie. All right? Emphasis, baby. Emphasis. That's why I said in the beginning of this video, it's not about me. It's about you, me, us, and y'all know what that means. That's that we major. You know I'm coming back with another we major hoodie. So let's check this joint out real quick. Bang! Y'all know I love some black. You know what I'm saying? It's my new we major emphasis hoodie. You know, heavy on that emphasis, baby. I'm saying there ain't nothing on the black. Excuse me. There ain't nothing on the back. There's nothing on this sleeve either. It's just that nice, beautiful embroidery patch on the left chest. I'm gonna bring this joint in close so y'all can see all the details in this joint. Just like I said, if you down with me on Patreon, I showed y'all the sample of this particular embroidered patch a while ago, and before this video ends, I'll run through, you know, how this patch started out, and you know, into the point where, you know, I got it to where it's at today, where I was able to apply it to these nice hoodies. All right, so check it out. All right, y'all, so I showed y'all the detail of this embroidered patch. Yo, I'm gonna tell y'all right now, this patch came out fire. I got a bunch of these joints, and I got that hoodie in black and in red. All right, now this particular patch can be sewn on or heat applied on. All right, you can use your heat press with this joint or your iron. You don't gotta have a heat press. If you don't have a heat press, you can use your iron with this particular patch right here that I came up with. All right, so that's how I do my joints. I'm just gonna bring this joint in close too, so y'all can see the detail in this bad boy. So let me know what y'all think. Leave the comments down below. Let me know if you like the design. Let me know if you like the concept. Once again, here's the hoodie, the black version, the new We Major emphasis hoodie. And if y'all new to this channel, you won't understand what we major mean. We major mean, like I said in the beginning of the video, you, me, us. It's all about unity. All right, so that's something that I came up with. Everything you, me, us, as a unit, everything we do is a major move. Okay, we building our brands together. That's a major move. We bossing up. That's a major move. We taking care of our responsibilities on the daily. That's a major move. All right, so we major. Y'all know I go hard for my brands, man. I go hard for my brands. I just hit you with this new unfamous individuals hoodie that I'm rocking with right now as well. I'm saying y'all could get both of these hoodies at the link down below my website right there. Bang! I'll leave the link down below as well so y'all could check these joints out. Yeah, man. So like I said, you know, those that follow me on Patreon, I showed you guys this a minute ago. So I got a couple bundles of these patches, you know what I'm saying, that, you know, I'm putting on hoodies, and, you know, I might put them on a few other things too. I don't know yet. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know how my mind be rocking, man. Like, never know. Might do some suits, might do some hats. I don't know. But right now, I'm focused on these emphasis hoodies. All right. If you want to know who manufactured these joints for me, you know what I'm saying, holla at your boy on Patreon. Sorry it gotta be that way, but you guys knew it was coming. You knew it was coming. I've been talking about Patreon for a couple months now. You knew it was coming. Alright? But now I got you though. So like I said, once again, if you want to support the channel, want to support me, make sure you check out my website, directioncylp.com, and you know, cop something from your boy. All right, I ain't gonna keep rambling on and on because I want to show y'all how I started off designing this particular embroidery patch and the final process. All right, boom. So here we go. So this is how it started off, y'all, in CADWorks Live. Each letter is a different font. So I chose different fonts and just infused them and condensed them all together and added a contour to them. And boom, that's how that joint came out. So then when I sent it to the manufacturer, they gave me back this first sample. And I was like, man, nah, man. Nah, that shit is whack. I don't want all that black in the back. That's not how I designed it, man. Like, nah, y'all got to redo that joint, baby. Redo that. And then they came back through like the woo with this joint. So this is the final one. This is the final sample. And I signed off on it. I said, yeah, that's good. I like that one. So here you go. The emphasis embroidered patch. Till next time, y'all. Skid it.
The message is always in the cloth, the colors, the designs, the fit. Basically, pay attention, stay alert, and remember, choose your own path.